So I hope everyone getting my screen right. Is it
Yes,
clear?
yes. Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes.
everyone, please respond.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I hope my voice and my screen, everything is clear with you. If you are getting issue if you are facing any issue, please let me know that. It's clear. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So we are heartily welcome to Harsha Trainings. So the agenda is in this demo one, the live demo session today. We are going to see that what exactly the visual. Why? Because we are going to learn that Power BI with SQL, right? So I hope someone will know that what is that Power BI, the exactly tool, right? So the Power BI, the Power BI is a Microsoft Business Intelligence tool, and which is used to visualize the data, right? So whenever I am saying that visualizing the data with the help of the Power BI, whenever we are learning anything, any technology, we need to start with the basics only, right? So for that, we need to check what it is visual exactly, and what is the importance of the visuals, how we can analyze that visuals. We are going to see here, and then what is that Power BI and the history of the Power BI we're going to see here, and why we need Power BI. So why we need Power BI means why the IT sector giving a good priority for Power BI data visualization technology. We will see that. So the top reasons also we are going to see here, and the working of the Power BI, how it will be working, the working flow of the Power BI. And one more thing, if the Power BI working means it will be having some components. What are the components are available also, we will see that. Okay, and slowly we are moving to know the need of the database as a Power BI developer and the data analyst. And coming to here, at the end of this session, you should know that why you should go for this course, and then what are the offers we are giving you while you are joining in this course. Right, clear? See, and one more thing, every slide we are giving the contact number here. See, right? Are you getting that? Ashore trainings.
Yes, you are getting the contact number.
Yes, yes. Please try to contact, if you have any doubts or any things. Okay, any queries, you can contact this number. They will try to solve your problems. Okay. So let's move to this agenda. So we're slowly going to move that. Whenever I'm saying that the importance of the visualizations, okay, we will discuss it right now. So the importance of visualization, right? So the importance of visualization, okay, I'm giving you a simple story for you guys. Please try to understand, please be patiency, please listen carefully. So I will raise some questions, you need to answer for my questions. Okay, so please listen carefully. I'm giving you a short type answer, and the paragraph I'm giving you that, please try to read it and try to understand it. I will give you some questions, you need to answer for that. Is clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes, fine.
clear.
Yes, fine. Can anyone read please this paragraph or these 3 points? Please be active.
There is
It
a
is not
classroom
possible
filled
at
with
8 a.m. Yeah, please.
there is a classroom filled with 7 members, including teacher. The class
Okay.
first starts at 8 o'clock, and in that classroom there are 2 boys and 4 girls except teacher.
Okay.
The classroom is decorated with some toys to attract children, and there is a cupboard to store books for children.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, everyone got it? What is this story? What exactly the story? There is a classroom filled with 7 members, including teacher. That's clear? And the class was starts at 8 o'clock, and in that classroom there are 2 boys and 4 girls, except teacher. It's clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you getting, guys? And then
Yes.
the classroom is also decorated with some toys to attract the childrens, and there is a cupboard to store the books for childrens. Right, clear? Right, clear?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Now,
Yes.
now, now I'm having some questions. Please try to answer for my questions. Okay. At what time the class was starts?
8
8 o'clock.
o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay. How many total members are there in this classroom?
7.
8 members.
Eight
Sorry.
members. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone saying that eight, someone saying that seven. Which one is correct? Which one I need to consider?
7. 7 members.
Okay. Seven members, including teacher or except teacher?
Including
Including
teacher.
Okay. How many boys are there?
2 boys, 4 girls.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Who's saying this answer? Two boys and four girls. Please give your good name, please. Your good name, please.
Yeah, Sita.
Yeah. Thank you, Sita. Thank you for a good answer. But the one more question is, including teacher, I said that seven members, right?
Yes.
Can anyone guess the teacher or the teacher gender is male or female? Can anyone guess? Okay, fine. And one more thing, can anyone repeat that entire paragraph or 3 points of the story quickly? Just we discussed a few minutes ago, right? That's right. Yes, sir. Right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So can anyone please repeat the story?
Actually, there is a one classroom. In that,
Okay.
7 members is there,
Mhm, mhm.
including with the teacher. And there
Okay.
are 2 boys and 4 girls, except teacher.
Okay. Very
And
good.
that classroom has decorated with the toys and cupboard to store the children's I mean things.
Super.
And the class starts at 8 a.m.
Yeah, 8
Exactly.
o'clock.
Exactly. The 8 o'clock the start class was starts, but you forgot it, right?
Yeah,
Yes or
yes.
no?
Yes, yes.
What is reason? What is reason to forgot this issue?
No reason.
Why? Because it is the theory. Why? Because it is a theory. You need to remember everything. It means every single word, every each and every row you need to remember, and you need to tell the story to me, right?
Yes.
The same thing, the same thing, the same thing. I'm giving this entire story in a single visual. Okay. Then
Okay.
please try to tell this entire story. The
Okay.
same story in a single visual. No, no one is answered my question. The teacher gender is male or female. Now, is it possible to answer for my question?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
female.
Right, clear?
Yes.
Now, without having, if I don't have these theory points, I can say easily I can create a story by watching this visual. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Is it possible? Now there is a classroom, and the classroom was filled with seven members, including the teacher. The teacher was female, right? And the classroom was starts at 8 o'clock. Why I'm saying that 8 o'clock?
There's a clock.
Exactly, right? There is a wall clock.
Mm, mm,
And in that classroom, there are two boys and four girls. How can I say that? One,
by seeing their
two,
hair.
three, four. And one, two. Yes or no? And these classrooms were decorated with some toys. Why? Because these guys are childrens. children was very attracted to the toys. That's why they are arranged some toys in that classroom. It's clear. And
Yes.
there was a cupboard to store books for the children. Are you clear? I think. So my
Yeah, yes.
content is what I'm trying to say is the importance of the visuals. See, instead of the theory or the data, consider this as my data. Okay. Whenever I'm having this data, whenever I'm having some requirements as of my wish, someone will answering, someone will unable to answer for my questions. It means my requirement. Someone is unable to fulfill my requirements. But whenever I'm giving this visual, I should say everyone can answer my question. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? So, and one more thing, guys, I'm trying to say everything here. So, you need to be active. See, actually, at 8 a.m., it is impossible to active to everyone. I know it, but I can understand it. But if you want to grow in your career in IT sector, you need to do some hard work. Hard work. When I'm saying that hard work, you need to be attention in this demo or any class. Okay, what I'm saying here, you need to attention here, and then you need to listen carefully. Apart from that, you need to respond to me. Is clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Now we have seen that importance of the visual generally. Now now coming to here, what is visual exactly? What is visual exactly? Anyone?
Uh, Whatever we can able to see in the picture, that is visualization.
Okay, fine.
Uh,
So
that
thank
is
you.
clock. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. So, what is visual exactly? According to the Power BI or according to in IT or according to data analytics, okay, the visual means which the data or the information representing in the graphically, it will be called as a visual. Is it clear? Which the data
Yes.
or the information. Now, assume this example. This is my data or the information. Now, this data I'm converting into the visualization format. Now, this is my visual. This is my, assume this is as my graph, right? This is my
Yes.
data. When the data is converted or when the data is represented in the graphically, it will be called as visual, right? Clear?
Yes.
So now, so for the visualization, the importance of the visualizations we are done. Now we are going to see that what is visual exactly, right? Now for that, I'm having one example to get it clear, right? So now I'm having one table here, the sales table or the product table. Observe this table. I mean, the every record you need to understand it. See, whenever I'm saying that table, the table will be combination of fields and the records. The terminology in the IT, fields and the records, right? Clear? But the
Yes.
columns and rows is general terminology. But here the fields and the records, the in IT terminology, you need to remember it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now I have three fields in my table. One is country, product, and then sales. Right? How many countries are there in my records? Germany, France, sorry, yeah, Germany, France, Mexico, Canada, USA. Right? And again there is Germany, again there is France, again there is Mexico, again there is USA, and France, Canada. It means the duplicate records are there. It's okay, no issue. Okay. Now I'm having some products. I don't know what is these product names, even me. Okay. VTT, Caradera, Pasio, Monadana, Velo. I'm not sure what exactly these products, but I'm having some data. Apart from that, are you getting everyone?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Don't feel like a bore. Okay, like bore. If you're feeling bore means please let me know that. I will try to avoid it. Okay. Just some theory part will be there. The basic concepts and basic things you need to understand here before starting to learn any technology, right? Whenever you're trying to start to learn any technology, the basic foundation is very very important, right? So that's why I'm trying to teach you the basic things. Why? Because the Power BI is a data visualization tool. Okay, so in the data visualization tool, what is the data, what is the visualization? So I'm trying to say that to understand you. That's clear.
Yes.
So I'm having the data on the record in the table. Okay. Now I will give you some requirements for you. I will give some requirements for you. Please try to solve my problems, right? Assume that I'm a businessman. I'm having this data and this information. I'm having some problems. Now I'm approaching you as a data analyst. Okay. So you need to solve my problems. It's clear? You are the
Okay.
data analyst or the Power BI developer. I'm the businessman. I'm having some data information. Okay. I'm having some problems with my data. Okay. I'm having some requirements for this data. I'm giving you this data. You need to solve my problems and you need to satisfy my requirements. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So there is a countries, right? There is a
Yeah.
sales. Okay. Regarding this product, I'm getting some sales here, right? Regarding this product, I'm getting some sales here. Now, my requirement is each and every country, how much total sales are performing and how much percentage of sales performing. That is exactly my requirement. Is it clear? The total sales
Okay.
from Germany, the total sales from France, the total sales from Mexico, and then Canada. Apart from that, I need to know how much percentage of the sales are happening in each and every country. Why? Because if I'm having that information, I will try to growth of my business. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Everyone, any doubts in my question? Any doubts with my question or my
No.
requirement? So clear, right?
No. Yeah.
Yes.
So please try to be answer. Please come with your answer. Anyone trying this? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah. Anyone trying to answer these questions? I mean, this requirement? Anyone trying to do the calculations? Anything? When I'm asking that total sales for Germany, total sales for France, what you need to do? The Germany sales for this product, and again the Germany sales for this product, and there is one more Germany sales for this product. You need to sum of the sum of the sales from Germany, and then you will get some sales, that is total sales. Okay, that is total sales.
Good.
Right, clear?
Yes.
Now, one more thing you need to check, you need to calculate from France France sales. Again, I'm having France sales. Again, I'm having France sales. So in this method, you need to calculate each and every country, right? Each and every country total sales. That is my one requirement. And my second requirement is I need to know each and every country how much percentage of sales are performing. I need to check it. Generally, how you can calculate that total sales? By adding each and every total sales with respect to each and every country. Is it clear?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay, fine. Now, okay, fine. Now, I got some total sales from Germany. I got some total sales from France, right? And one more thing, Can anyone please let me know the grand total of this field? It means the total sales, the sum of the sales. It means in every country I'm getting some sales, but my requirement is totally how many sales I'm getting here. Are you clear with my
Yearly
requirements?
9 lakhs.
Only 9 lakhs? No.
No, no,
What
no.
is this?
Yeah, okay. 19.
19 only? Maybe the total sales will be millions. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Total sales should be in the millions. Okay, fine. Now, why no one is unable to answer my question or my requirements? See, I'm having how many records here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm having only 12 records, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But only I'm having two requirements, sorry, three requirements, including the total of the sales. No one is unable to answer for my requirement. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Why?
Yes.
But you guys are
Uh,
graduated, right? Everyone graduated, right? Can anyone under graduation? Is there anyone? Okay, fine. Please be respond whatever it is. Okay. If the requirement is right or wrong, that is secondary. But you need to respond. That is very important here. Yes, clear.
yes.
Yeah. Why you guys are unable to answer my question? Why? Because the values of the sales are in thousands and then lakhs. Okay. If you want to calculate each and everything, you need some time, and then you need to verify it sometime, and then only you need to confirm yourself the value was correct or not, and then only you are giving answer to my question. Yes or no?
Yes.
How much time you want to do this? Please
Maybe 15
respond.
minutes.
15 minutes.
It's not
Okay.
your.
Minimum. Yes. Yes, please.
No, no, please continue.
Thank you so much. So minimum 15 minutes you need to calculate these. Minimum 15 minutes of time you need to calculate these requirement. Minimum. But after, if the time was continuing after 50 minutes, we don't know, right? So
Yes.
now that is my problem. That is my problem. That is the business problem. Okay. See, the visualizations will helps to businessman to solve the business problems. How it is, I will let you know that. Just now, I'm going to give you a single visual. The same data you will be getting a single visual. Okay. Now you are able to answer my questions. Okay. You will be able to answer for my questions. Okay. Watch it now. What is this visual? What is this chart? Can anyone please
I will.
respond? Everyone know this
Pie chart.
pie chart. Exactly. Everyone know this pie chart, right? So
Yeah.
in this pie chart, what is my total sales and percentage by each and every country? Right? See, for the USA, how much total sales I'm getting here? 2004.15K. It means 2.5 millions of the sales I'm getting from US only. The percentage of the sales I'm getting 25 percentage of the sales out of 100. right? So can I say the US country is performing a good sales?
Yeah.
That's clear.
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
coming to next one, what is this Germany, right? This is my Germany sales. I'm getting some total sales this March. I'm getting 24% or 24.6%, 64 percentage of the sales out of 100. The next one, third highest sales and third highest sales performing. Which country it is? That is your turn.
Mexico.
Mexico.
Exactly, super. Mexico. And fourth highest sales and the percentage of the sales country,
Canada.
Canada.
Canada. And then finally, the least and the minimum sales is getting from France. Now, if you observe clearly, when I'm asking the same requirements with my data, you are unable to answer. But when I'm giving this visual, at least you try to give some answers, which are exact answers, which are correct answers. Yes or no? And
Yeah.
one more thing, I didn't any calculations right now. I did not any calculations here. But coming to here, if I need to get my requirements, I need some time. I need to do calculations. After the calculation, whether it is right or wrong, I need to check it everything. Yes, right?
Yeah.
So what is happening here? What is visual? Which the data is representing in the graphically, it will be known as a visual. That's clear. Now you guys are know, right? How the data, how the visual is importance, right? What is the visual? Why the visualization is very important? It's clear. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here?
No.
No.
Clear everyone, right? Can I move on next one? The
Yeah.
next example, we're having two to three examples. I will try to explain you everything. Okay, and then we will
Okay.
slowly move to the exactly what is Power BI. Fine. Why? Because the visualization basic thing you need to understand what is happening in that Power BI with the data in between data. That is the relation in between data and then visualizations. It's clear. Now we are going to see how to analyze a visual. One more data I'm having that. So how many stores are available here? Store 1, store 2, store 3. So it means 3 stores are available in my table and the products are there iPhone, Samsung and then OnePlus, Vivo. Right? Please let me know in this data which product you will prefer whenever you need to buy a mobile if you're having a lot of money.
iPhone.
iPhone. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why iPhone only?
Because we have more money.
Okay. See, if you have more money means you can buy two Samsungs, right? Two Samsung mobiles also you can buy. Why only iPhone? If you have a lot of money, or else you can buy two brands of mobile, Samsung and Vivo. Why only iPhone? If you have only a lot of money, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because the iPhone is standard brand. That's why you prefer that iPhone, right? It is a leading brand for mobile devices. Apart from that, Samsung also one of the good brand and OnePlus also a good brand. And now recently Vivo is launched, right?
Yes.
That's right. So now coming to our subject. Now we're going to see that three stores are available and some products are there. I'm getting some sales here, right? How
Yeah.
many records are there? Can anyone? How many records are there? How many stores are there? Please analyze the data. Please see, as a Power BI developer, the first thing you need to do, what is mean by it is you should need to understand the data, what exactly the data, and what the business is going on with the help of this data. You need to analyze it, and then only you need to go for second step. That's right.
Yep.
Yeah.
So try to analyze this data. So there is a stores,
All records on
three
three
stores are
stores
there.
and four products.
Exactly. Super, super. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I'm having these stores and the products and the sales. Now the same requirement I do have. I'm having some requirement. Which is requirement is which store I am getting a good and maximum sales. Out of three stores, how many total sales are there? It means which is giving a maximum store, maximum sales. Are you clear?
Yep.
Yes.
Store is giving a good sales, that is I'm asking that. Okay, fine. Then let me know how to calculate that. At least calculations are very important as a data analyst or the Power BI developer. Why? Because everything will be depends on calculations. Whenever you're analyzing a data, you should be go for your calculations. Right? Clear? Okay, fine. Now please let me know at least how to get my requirement. Don't try that. Please try to give an overall explanation.
Sum of sale
Sum of
for
sales
each
by
product.
no each stores. Why? Because by stores only I am asking that, right? Don't go for
Okay,
product.
then
Don't go for product. Yeah,
yeah, sum of
Store two
sale
is first.
group by
yeah.
store.
Sum of sales for store one, sum of sales from store two, sum of sales from store three, and then I need to check which store is giving a good sales. Right? Can anyone calculate these things? Store one, store two, store three.
Top sales in store two, and second is store one, and the last is store three.
Super, super. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, why only one or two members are responding here? Only two or three attending here? Only two or three concentrating in my demo? Is it possible? Is it right? Okay, fine. So now, as if someone said that correct answer, okay. See how much time you need to calculate everything here?
5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. And what you did? The process, please let me know that. For the store one,
So,
each and every record from the store one, each and every record you need to calculate, right?
yes.
Store one, and again store one. You will get a sales. And store two, and again store two, and again store two. There is a say some sales value, right? The same thing will be applies for store three. Then only you will get three values. From the three values you need to select one maximum value, then only you are able to answer my question, or you are able to satisfy my requirement, right?
Yep.
Without doing any calculations, I can give you a simple answer, a simple thing, with the help of my creating of visual. Now please analyze the upcoming visual. Please let me know that is it possible or not. Is it possible? The total sales
Mm.
I'm getting from each and every store. From the store 2, I'm getting 2,30,000. From store 1, I'm getting 1,35,000. For store 3, I'm getting 1,70,000. Yes, right? Is it?
Yes.
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 And apart from that, when I'm analyzing this visual, when I'm going to analyze this visual, the maximum sales I'm getting store 2 only. The minimum sales I'm getting from store 1 only. Now, can I consider store 3 as my average sales?
Yes.
I can do or not?
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Why? Because the average sales, right? Like 70,000. Okay, fine. Now, is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubts in this?
No. No.
No.
Everyone? Everyone, right? Can I move for next slide?
Yes. Yes.
Because see,
Yes.
the analyzing of the visualization is very, very important. The data analysis and the visuals analysis is very, very important. Why? Because you're going to be as a Power BI developer, you're going to be on work as a data analyst. If you learn that Power BI, you are able to apply for data analyst or the Power BI developer role. It's clear. So now we are going to see for the next slide. It is the same thing, the same data, and the same data is available in my slide. Now you need to know, you need to say, now we are done with stores and sales. Now my thing is I need to check, I need to get the requirement with respect to product, with respect to products. Is it possible or not?
Possible.
Yes.
Yes, it is possible, but you need some time, right? You need some time. You need to do some work. You need to do some calculation. You need to verify it. So, for example, when I'm asking that which iPhone or Samsung or OnePlus or Vivo from these products, from which product I'm getting a good sales. I'm having four products, right? So, from these four products, I need to know from iPhone how much sales I'm getting, from Samsung how much sales I'm getting, and now who is good performer in these products with respect to the sales. These all are my requirement. Now you need to tell what is your answer.
I think iPhone.
Samsung top
iPhone, Samsung top. Okay, how you can answer this?
by
By
calculating all
calculating
the
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 sales. Yes.
Samsung sales.
Exactly, super, super. When I starts my demo here, no one is able to answer my questions. Right now, you guys are answering with calculations. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Thank you for that. So now, the Samsung is giving a top sales, right? It means the maximum sales. Now the
Yes.
second highest sales are
iPhone.
iPhone. Thank you so much. And Vivo and OnePlus. Okay, fine. Now now my analysis is very important. Okay, why? Because I'm trying to giving you one more example with one more visual. Anything wrong with this? Anything
No,
wrong with this visual? Is it clear?
nothing.
I'm getting
It's clear.
Samsung
Yeah.
good sales. I'm getting iPhone sales, second highest sales. I'm getting Vivo and I'm getting OnePlus. Anything wrong with this?
No.
Nothing. It's
Clear everyone? I'm asking again and again.
Yes, yes.
anything wrong. It's correct.
See, just I'm checking your confidence. Okay, no need to worry. So now I'm getting, so actually the Samsung, see, and whenever the anyone, the manager or any product manager of these industries, if anyone watching this graph, what they can understand here, what they can understand here.
Samsung have highest sale.
Okay, it's okay, fine. So Samsung was reached the goal of them, right? Okay, and coming to iPhone also fine, Vivo also fine, OnePlus also fine. But you are the employee or you are the data analyst. You are thinking like that, but whenever watching any CEO or any manager of manufacturing for this product, what they can understand,
The sales of the competition.
there is a competition in the sales. What is reasons? What are reasons are there? Maybe the features, maybe the discount, maybe the product quality, right?
Price.
Brand
Price,
value.
yes. Brand value, exactly, super. Anything? Maybe the the production also will be considering, right? See, if there is a less production, there will be less sales, right? Yes
Yes.
or no? So if
Marketing.
they need to, yes, exactly. If they need to improve the production, what they need to do, they should recruit some employees or the laborers to work or to improve the production of the product. Yes or no? So how many
Yes.
things are there? How many things are there? If this Vivo or CEO or the manager watching this graph, they can understand I need to improve my business. How many ways I can improve? It means uh, I need to check out the price of my product. I need to check out the features of my product. I need to check out quality of my product. I need to improve my production, right? I need to check out my discount. I need to recruit some employees or the laborers to work with to improve my production. Right? Yes or no? How many
Yes.
things are there here? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine things only by analyzing this visual only. By analyzing this visual only. So what you got right now? The visuals will be solve the businessman problems. The business user problems will solved by a visual. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So the requirements and the business problems will be solved by the visualizations. That is exactly what is visual, how it will be working, how you can analyze, what is the difference between data and the visualization, how it will be impacting the human's brain. Right now, clear? Any doubt so
Yeah.
far?
Yeah, it's clear.
Any doubt?
No.
Everyone?
Yeah, all clear.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Can I move for next slide? Can I move for next slide?
Harsha.
Yeah.
Yes,
Please
please.
try to note down this contact number. If you have any queries, you can contact to this number. Okay. Every slide, the contact number will be sliding. Okay. So if you have any queries, you need to contact with this number. Okay. Thank you. Now we're going to and so far we are done the importance of the visualization. What is the visual, how to analyze a visual, how the visual will be used to business users. Right now we are able to say that what exactly the visual is, which the data is representing in the graphically, it will be called as a visual, and the visual will be helps to end user or the business user to solve the business problems, and then business problems and anything else. Everyone can easily analyze this visual. If there is no any knowledge of the Power BI, he can understand easily. They can understand easily. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Is it clear? And one more thing,
Yeah.
can I say, with the help of these visuals, I can tell a story. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 If you
Yeah.
have seen the start of this slide, right? You have seen the start of this slide, but coming to here also, I can tell a story, right? Can anyone tell a story by analyzing this visual?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so please So what story you can create here is there is a data with the stores, products, with the sales. Whenever you're having the requirements, everything, whatever thing I have been explained here so far, you can explain that. There is a products which are iPhone, OnePlus, Samsung, and Vivo, and there is a sales regarding that every product with every stores. Now we are able to get that the maximum sales from the Samsung. Sorry, the second highest sales from iPhone we are getting here. Right, clear?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
we
yes.
can make some decisions with the OnePlus and Vivo brandeds, everything. Now we are able to create a story with the help of a single visual. Yes or no? Now, and one more thing. Now we are having full records only, right? Up to here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Now, whenever I'm asking with respect to the source, my requirement, whenever I'm asking the requirement with respect to the products, right? You guys are taking some time to analyze some wrong answers, some few right answers, right? Yes or no? But my thing is, right now we are having only 12 records, but in real time, there will be thousands of records, millions of records will be there. 10 millions, 20 millions, 80 millions, 80,000 of records will be there. How we are able to solve these requirement is how? By creating a visuals. Now the thing is, we are so far we are discussing about visual. Yes or no? We can create this visual, right? But the thing is, where we can create this visual? Where we can create this visual? Yes or no? So far we
Yeah.
discussed about visual, but the thing is, you have to know. You need to raise a question. Okay, fine. We are creating a visual. We are getting some information in the form of visually, graphically. But where we can create this? Where we can create this? The visuals with the help of the data, we can create the visuals by data visualization tools. What is that? Data visualization tools. So in the market, so many data visualization tools are there. In that tools, we are selecting that Power BI. I will let you know why only we are selecting that Power BI. You don't worry. Right now, you need to know which tool we are going to use to visualize this data, to analyze this data. That is called as Power BI. Right. So, can anyone say the number? Sorry, name Sita. What's that? Sita, right?
Yes, I'm.
Yes, why? Because only Sita was said the number. I remember this one person only. Sorry to say, I cannot call everyone. Okay. So, Sita, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, yes. My name is Sita. I have 5 years of experience on Oracle SQL and PL SQL. I am currently working with Capgemini.
Uh,
Uh, my native, I'm from Hyderabad. So
please, please, please.
I completed my education MCA in 2013.
Sita, please yourself. You are from HYD only, right?
Yeah, Hyderabad.
Why you mentioned that? Why? Because
No,
the history of you. What is the history of a person? The history of the person is the address of the person. It means where it is, where you born. Yes or no? Where you are living,
yes,
everything. Where you are from. The same thing, whenever we are going to learn any one technology, you should know that the history of the technology. Yes or no? Where it is born,
yes,
who has launched it, when it is launched. Everything we need to know. Yes or no? Everyone,
Yes.
please go on mute. Someone making
Yes.
disturbance. So the history of the Power BI we are going to see here. Okay. The first thing is in 2013. In 2013, the Microsoft was launched Power BI. for Office 365 only. If you observe clearly, there is a Power BI, and these all tools are only for Office 365. It was happened and sorry, it was happened in 2013. Sorry, 2013. Yes or no? See, in 2013, the Microsoft is launched by the Power BI is launched by Microsoft for Office 365 only. That's clear.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
So when the Microsoft Power BI was launched in 2013, it's clear. But now my thing is, but now you have to know that one of the history of Power BI after that 2013. Okay, after that 2013, Microsoft is evaluated for Power BI. Okay, the evaluated for Power BI and released an updated version of Power BI as alone product, and it is separated from Office 365. It is separated from Office 365. When it is happened in 2015. When it was happened in 2015, the Microsoft is evaluated and released an updated version of Power BI as alone product. It means from the Office 365, it is separated in 2015, and then now it is available in market for individual use as Microsoft Power BI, which is leading market. It is leading the market to analyze the data, to create the reports. Which is hot technology in my current market, IT market, which is giving the lot of opportunities in my current marketing. That is exactly the history of the Power BI. No one can ask this, but you need to know that. You should need to know that. Why? Because you're learning one technology, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. So thank you. I hope you guys understand this technology of history, right? History of this technology, right? Now slowly we are moving to another things. History of the Power BI was seen that, right? Now we know the history of the Power BI. Now we have to know what is Power BI exactly. Every time we are saying that Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, visualizations, history of the Power BI, we can create the visuals in Power BI, right?
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
what is Power BI? The basic thing. The basic thing. What is Power BI? You should know that. It's clear. So that is a simple definition. We are going to see that. Okay, we are going to see that. What is Power BI? The Power BI is a Microsoft business intelligence tool, right? And in another way, the Power BI is a Microsoft tool, and it will be called as a business intelligence tool, right? With the help of these Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, you can analyze the data. Okay, you can analyze your data, you can clean up your data, you can create the visuals for reports. Clear? What is Power BI means? A simple definition. The Power BI is business intelligence tool which is launched by sorry, which is launched by Microsoft. And with the help of the Microsoft Power BI, you can analyze and you can clean or you can visualize your own data which is existed in your Power BI. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
Any doubts? Any doubts? No, right?
No.
I hope. Maybe because it's a simple definition. Right, clear. Now, in another way, what is Power BI? The Power BI is a collection of the components which are Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power BI Desktop, and Power BI Services. These are major components. Still, we are having some components. It will be a second topic, and next topic we are going to see that. Don't worry about that. Majorly, we are having these components. So that's why I'm giving some example. The Power BI is a collection of the components. Why there is a components? Why there is a components? We will see that. We will see that why there is a component. Okay. See, for example, everyone is working, right? Anyone working in automobiles, pharma, or in IT? Anyone, please?
Yes, I'm working in IT.
Okay. Which department? Which department? I mean, technology.
Yeah, it's Oracle, SQL, and PL SQL.
Oracle, SQL, and PL SQL. Okay. Okay. Who can give you the requirements? Who will give you the requirements?
Client.
Client. Okay. There is anyone between you and your client
Yes.
with that?
Yeah, business architect.
Business architecture. Okay, fine. See, there is actually the process is there is a project, right? There is a project. Yes or no? There is a project. They will be giving you some data from the some different data sources or anything. And apart from that, they will give some requirements. See, the requirements will be receiving from business analyst, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? The business
Yes.
analyst will be giving some requirements. Okay, and from the business analyst, you are going to receive the requirements with the data, right? Yes or no? And then you will try to solve or you will try to satisfy the requirements, and later that you are sending or you are you are giving this requirement to your team lead or your senior management of work, and from them to it will be goes to your businessman. Yes or no? Is all of the
Yes.
process. It is exactly the process is happening in IT projects. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is happening here? Are you able to do the entire work by you only?
No.
Why? Because there is a lot of things are there. So you cannot do only the project only a single person, right?
Yes.
So the same thing, the Power BI also cannot create only report. So to create a report and the visuals to the Power BI, some components will be helping, which are Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Services. Don't worry about these components. We will see in future sessions, and I will elaborate every each and every component. Why? Because every component is very very important. If you want to create any visual, if you want to analyze your data, if you want to do the report, if you want to do create a dashboards, if you want to do any data modeling, everything. If you want to do write any DAX function, can anyone know? Can anyone know the DAX functions?
No. No.
Okay, fine. You can learn here. You don't worry. You can learn here. Okay. So, what exactly the Power BI? So far, we have done that, right? A simple definition. What is Power BI? The Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is launched by Microsoft, and you can call it as the data analytical tool also, right? And it is a collection of components. With the help of the Power BI, you can analyze your data and you can clean up your data. You can create some reports and dashboard with the help of the visual. That's all about what is Power BI. Clear?
Yes.
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 Any doubts?
Oh,
Any doubts? Please ask me. You can ask me. If you're clear, I'll move to next one. Why? Because I'm having one or two slides to explain this session. I think I'm giving the slowly teaching, right? Why? Because this is
it's clear.
the first demo only. Yeah, clear, right? Can I move for next one?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now we have seen that what is Power BI. Now we are going to see that. Okay, and one more thing I forgot it. Sorry. The Power BI allows users to visualize and share insights from their organization's data or the business data. Okay, don't worry. Going forward, you can easily answer for this question. Why? Because it is a common thing when we are learning that Power BI. It's clear. Now we're going to see that in the market we are having a lot of data visualizations tools, but why we need to go for Power BI only? There is a Tableau, there is a ClickSense, there is a Power BI, and there is a many visualization tools, right? Now,
Yes.
why I need to select only the Power BI? Why? Because the Power BI will be having the maximum features if you compare with other data visualization tools. Okay. What are the when I'm saying that maximum features? Okay. In Power BI, I'm able to get 1,000+ functions which are called DAX functions. With those functions, with the help of anyone feeling bored?
Oh,
No.
No.
Did anyone feel bored?
No.
Please be patiency. Okay. Within 15 to 20 minutes, I will end of this session for today. Okay. We will discuss the rest of the things tomorrow or live demo. Okay. You don't worry about that. So we will be having 1,000+ DAX functions and 280+ visuals are available. Okay. Like visuals of when I'm saying that visual pie chart, column chart, bar chart, and
stack a chart.
line chart, stacked column chart, 100% stacked column chart. So like that, some default visualizations are there. See, up to 30+, up to 32, 35 default charts will visuals will be having in Power BI. If you want to get other visuals, you don't need to write any single line of code. You can get easily from the marketplace. I will show you how we can get it easily without writing any single line of code. You don't worry about that. Fine. But the thing is, it is one of the good feature, right? There is a 200+ visuals means you can select whatever visual you want. It will be depends on your requirement. Clear? Now there is one more good feature, Q&A feature. It means question and answer with visual. Question and answer with visual. If you are having any requirement, if you're asking if you're asking in a natural language to the Power BI, it is giving you the exact visual. Sorry, it is giving you the exact result, including visual. You don't need to write. You don't need to select any particular visual. Just you need to ask a question. It is giving that result with visual. And one more thing, supports mobiles devices and tabs also. The Power BI. And whenever you're using Power BI, okay, your report, you can secure your report and the client's data. Okay, it is very, very important to anyone. Right, clear? And one more thing, there is a data connectivity option. I mean, there is a data connectivity feature. See, in Power BI, you can connect or you can import the data from multi data sources. Okay, I will let you know that what is data sources. Okay, you don't worry about that. These things will become in future class. That's clear. Now we are going to see that the examples for data connectivities: SQL, MySQL, Excel, CSV, Azure. These all are called as data stores or data source. Yes or no? SQL will be database. Excel will be called as data source also. Storing, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? We can store the data in Excel sheets, right? In CSV files. Azure. Azure we are having I mean some services.
Cloud
There we
service.
can store the data. It's a cloud services. Exactly. Thank you. So in the data sources, the data will be there. Okay, we need to connect the data to the Power BI or the import to the Power BI with the help of different data sources. When I'm saying different data sources, Power BI can connect 90+ data sources, like, right? That is one of the good feature in Power BI. Okay, now we're going to see one more thing, cost and licensing. The cost is cheapest among other tools. See, as a human, if you are getting a good discount, we will prefer only that product only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Whenever you're buying any product, you'll compare with other products where we are getting discount, right? Whenever you're going to shopping, there is a Max, there is a Trends, there is a DMart, where we are having more discount. We are prefer that only, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That is the human thing. That is the human thing. So the cost is cheapest among other tools. Why? Because there is a reasonable licensing. Okay, there is a licenses are available, including free license. No need to premium. No need to take premium. No need to purchase anything. If you can practice yourself by downloading yourself. That's clear. It means there is a free license also, and there is a plan it will be using by organization, and this also a limited plans also will be there. These all are some features are available in Power BI. Okay, some features are available in Power BI. It's clear. Now these are the reasons, right? These are the reasons why I need to choose that Power BI. Okay, these all are from here. Now I will show you some examples, the live examples. Okay, are you clear with my screen? Are you getting my Chrome
Yes.
page?
Yes.
Just what I will do is the Google Trends. I will check it. See, it is a live example. I'm not showing anything here. I'm not doing anything here, right? Microsoft Power BI. What I will do is I will compare this Microsoft Power BI data visualization tool, compare with another data visualization tool. See, I'm not disappointing Tableau. I'm not decreasing Tableau. I'm not showing finger on Tableau. Just I'm saying that how Power BI is growing. I'm not decreasing the Tableau. Okay, please try to understand it. See, I'm comparing that Power BI Tableau Google Trends today only, right? Just it is live only. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it is live. Now this is Power BI and it is my Tableau. Now how they are performing up to today. See, November 12 to 18, Microsoft Power BI having 67, Tableau software having 28. But it is past 12 months, how the growth is there compared to Tableau and Power BI. That's clear.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Clear.
We can analyze here, right? It is one of the visual. Okay, those visuals also we can create in Power BI, don't worry. Okay, now what I will do is just I'm going to check with past 5 years. Past 5 years means since 2018 or 19. 19, right? Okay. Now this is my exact report past 5 years of Power BI comparing with Power BI and Tableau. Now if you observe clearly, when the Power BI starts here, it is continuously growing up in the market. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That's why I can say definitely the Power BI can is ruling the IT market as data visualization tool. If you want to compare any other tool, okay, QLIK ClickSense is there. There is a ClickSense, yes. ClickSense also one of the data visualization tool. Why organizations are preferring only Power BI? Why the graph is showing like this? This is ClickSense and this is Tableau, this is my Power BI. Why it is happening like this in this graph? What is the reason?
Availability of features.
Exactly. The maximum features are available in Power BI. See, parallelly in the Tableau also we're having the maximum features.
It is free license. There is
Tableau
no.
also you have a free license
Cheaper.
for 15
It's
days, for
cheaper
30
and
days.
user friendly.
Okay, that is one of the reason. Okay, fine. Accept. Any other
This is
things?
Microsoft product.
Super. That is the thing. The brand. See, if you have a chance to get a gift, okay, why? Because see, whenever you're trying to buy any car or any wearing, I mean cloth wearing, any shoes, if you're trying to buy in brands, I'm having two brands. I will give you the three. I will give you the list of the brands. Please let me know that which brand you will select. Okay. Regarding to cars, BMW, Hyundai, and Honda. If you have a lot of money, you do have a lot of money, you can buy any car. In these three cars, which one you can prefer? Which one you will prefer? Please respond. BMW, Honda, Hyundai.
BMW.
BMW.
BMW only. Why you did not prefer Honda and Hyundai? There will be a good features if you compare with BMW. The Hyundai and Honda will be giving you a good mileage. Why you didn't prefer that?
Safety and the
The
brand
price.
value.
That is the value of the brand. So no, see that's why the Power BI is Microsoft tool. That's why it is a leading the market. Why? Because the Microsoft is leading IT market globally. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
If you are not accept, I will show you the live example also. Power BI Magic Quadrant 2023. Microsoft named. See, this report is created by the Gartner company, the Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence Platform. Who did it? Who did it? Who did it? The Gartner. Gartner is one of the company. Did anyone know this Gartner company? What it is exactly?
No.
It will be comparing that. It is collecting that information and comparing that tools and everything in the IT. It is giving some report. The same like this. Now, if you observe clearly, the leaders, challengers, like players, visionaries. Who's the leader in the top position? Who's the leader in the top position?
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Who's leading the top position? Microsoft only. Very clear. This is also not created by me. This report is not created by me. It is a live example for you. Two live examples I have been given for you, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's it about why I need to choose only Power BI. Why? That is the reasons. What are the reasons we have to go for Power BI? Okay. Clear everyone? Any doubts?
No.
So much. Yeah. So that's all about for today. Any questions? The session will be the demo session will be continuous tomorrow. See, actually we are providing three demo live sessions. Okay. It is a good
Okay.
opportunity to you guys. Okay. Please try to join every session, the free live session, and you can decide yourself. Okay. If you want to enroll to learn this course, you can contact to this number. And I forgot it. Sorry for that. And we will see
Yeah.
that
Hello.
the component. Yes, yes. Give me a second. Let me complete myself. I'll give you some time to ask your questions. Okay. So
Okay.
as I said, are we done? The importance of visuals and analysis of the visual. What is visual? What is Power BI? History of the Power BI and the reasons for going off Power BI. Need of Power BI. I will let you know that the next session. How the Power BI will be working. How the flow of work of the flow of working of Power BI. and what are the components are available, and as a Power BI developer, how you need the database. Okay, as a Power BI developer, you need to learn some database or any some data source. Okay, as a data source also I need to say for you. Okay, the entire things will become in coming feature or sessions. Okay, now, okay, fine. Now, what I'm trying to say is the components are there. As I said, the every component I will be elaborate whatever it is. What it is exactly, what we can do with the help of Power Query, what we can do with the help of Power Pivot, what we can do with the help of Power View. Every component I will try to explain for you. You don't worry about that. Okay, these are the components are available in Power BI. Okay, and I can elaborate every component what it is exactly with good examples. You don't worry about that. Now the thing is you need to know that why should go for this course. Okay, why you need to go for this course? Why? Because the Power BI is a data visualization tool, right? Now if you want to work the data analytics role, you should know that one data visualization tool with one database, right? And one more thing, so far we discussed about a good explanation with good examples, visualizations. Did you know, or do you know, or did you got that visualizations are backbone of data analytics? Did you got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is one of the reason the visualizations is backbone of the data analytics. Right? Clear? Now, one more thing. If you want to survival in your IT sector, you should know these roles. You should know these things of roles. What are the roles are there? Data science, data analyst, and the business analyst, and then data engineer. If you are good in these four roles, you can rule your IT sector. You are the grandmaster in your IT sector. When when you are good in data analyst, when you are able to work as business analyst, when you are able to work as data engineer and the data science. Right? Clear? Now you are going to learn this data analytics course with the help I mean the technologies helping the technologies Power BI with SQL. Okay, and now if you're clear with data analyst, you are able to work with as business analyst also. Business analyst, right? If you are done with data analyst, you are good at business analyst also. Why? Because the similar things are there, the roles and responsibilities will be similar. Okay, and one more thing in the data science, in the data engineers. Okay, there will be some different roles, some different responsibilities with the different technologies. Okay, we will see that, you don't worry. Okay, fine. Now you no need to learn any coding background. Sorry, you no need to use any coding background to learn this skill. It means completely non-coding background it is. It is a good opportunity to non-IT background candidates. Yes or no? Anyone there is a mechanical student from BTech,
Yes, I am.
so you can learn this easily. You don't need any coding background. Not only you, see the triple E candidates, EC candidates, a degree, someone will do any branches. Any streaming. No need any particular stream. Anyone can learn easily the Power BI. See, no coding, but I said that in the maximum features, there is a DAX functions. We need to write some functionality. It is a functionality language only. It is not a coding. It is a functional language. Only just you need to give some function. You need to give some column and table name. That's it. You can achieve yourself in the DAX. No need to write any coding. Right? Clear? And one more thing, if you want to work with data science, you should know one programming language. I mean, R programming, Python programming, whatever it is, right? And coming to data engineering, you should know some Python programming language. You should know some cloud. You should know some data visualization tool. You should know some database. So here, before going to data engineering, you should be good in data analyst and business analyst, and then you have to learn some Python, you have to learn some cloud, you have to learn some database. Right, clear? Then only you are able to enter into these roles. But here, no need to learn any coding knowledge. Okay, no need any coding knowledge, no need to worry about it to get into IT easily. Okay, now and one more thing, it is good platform for platform for non-IT candidates. Okay, and there will be good opportunities. A lot of opportunities are available for the data analyst or the Power BI developer. You don't need to worry about it. Once you're done your course, end of the training sessions, you will be a rock in Power BI. You will get a good opportunity. Okay, apart from that, you will get a good packages also. Fine. And career switch towards the business oriented roles. It is very challenging role in your career. You can growth up easily your career in IT sector. It's clear. Okay, guys.
Clear.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
Yeah,
Yes, please.
No doubts.
Thank you so much.
yeah. While I'm
And
searching in Naukri regarding as a Power BI developer,
okay.
it is asking not as a Power BI developer, but more than Power BI developer like DAX function, Python programming, AWS DevOps, and these are all some common. Like if I go to preferred
Though,
skills, each and
yeah.
every job roles they are asking not only the Power BI and DAX functions, but more than this.
See,
At
actually, okay.
current scenario. I'm talking about the
Yes,
current
yes.
scenario, but I don't know the future.
See, actually, the requirement of the technology will be depends on organization and the project. Okay,
Yeah,
if the project will be need some programming language, they will be say that okay, we are having some programming language. You need to say you need to do that, or else, uh, for example, you learn that Power BI with SQL. You joined as a Power BI developer, but you don't know anything. Okay, then what they will do you know that what they will do, they will recruit one of the person, a fresher or any 1 year or 2 years of experience candidate having the coding knowledge in Python. Then they will be recruit you and with other persons. See, mostly they will prefer when you are having the additional languages, additional skills, which are Power BI or R programming. But is it possible to learn non-IT candidates or any mechanical engineers the coding section right now when they are trying to get into the IT? The
yeah,
first
it's not
what you guys
possible.
are need to do is the first thing what you have to do is you need to learn something in IT sector with whatever it is the tool. You need to try to get into the IT and then you need to efforts on coding. I'm trying to say that first try to get into that into that IT sector with the help of any tool. The best
Okay,
way is Power BI. Okay, there will be a lot of opportunities only as a Power BI developer and the data analyst. As your for your question, my answer is okay. See, I mean Python and R programming is additional languages. DAX is including Power BI, right? Yes or no? We have
okay.
done this right
Yes,
in
yes.
DAX.
DAX, I said the DAX we are doing, but Power Apps also most of the
Those
preferred
are
skills are Power
additional
Apps.
things. Those are additional things. Power Apps, Power Automate. It will be called as Power Platform. It is Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and SQL. These all are one cloud, one data visualization tool, everything. These all are some additional things only. But majorly, if you have Power BI, one of the master data visualization tool, you can get into easily in IT sector.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Anyone, any doubts?
No, yeah, one thing, one thing.
Yeah, I have.
Yes, please.
Yes, to Power BI and to get
Please,
into a
one by
job.
one, one by one. We are getting some disturbance. We are having a lot of time. Okay, take your own time to ask your question, but one by one, please ask your question. Why? Because for one or two members, I can answer, but if anyone asking multiple questions, I can answer for only one person, right? At a time. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah, I can understand. So is Power BI
Yes,
in
please.
SQL, is it enough? I mean, after we do any certification, Power BI in SQL, is it enough for start working with any MNC or any companies?
Get into IT sector more than
Yeah,
enough Power BI with SQL.
okay,
More than enough. You will be getting a good calls, you will be get a good opportunities, you will be get a good opportunity with good packages. That is
okay.
the
So
I
like
mean
if it is,
the strength of the Power
um,
BI. Sorry.
like if I have 3 years of experience in IT and I am learning now
Okay.
Power BI and completed that course. So after that, how much
Okay.
of package would I expect?
that, that will be depends on your current package, your current CTC. That will be depends on, for example, now how much you are getting CTC as
Seven,
of now. 7.
seven.
Okay, so
Hmm.
7 you're getting CT current CTC. Okay,
Hmm.
now you're thinking to get into IT with the Power BI technology, right? You can get
Huh.
easily 8 to 14, easily you can get it. It means 50 to 60% of hike you can get. Why?
Okay,
Because the basic they will be considered that whatever it is either it is IT or non IT. You are getting, for example, you are getting non IT 4 lakhs. They will be considered that.
okay.
Okay, they
Hmm.
will be considered that. Depends on your CTC. They will be giving you some hike. See, there is no rule. Everyone gives to everyone need to give what you are expecting, right? See, what they will be having is they will be having some margin of percentage of the hike for CTC. See, for example, you are having 7 lakh. I mean 7 CTs, right? 7 LPF, the current CTC. What they will do is they will be having in any organization. Okay, someone will give as of your wish. That is not a matter. But someone will having some standard of percentage of hike they will be provide for you guys. Right now, you 7 lakhs of, for example, you are having 5 lakhs of current CTC. Okay, 5 lakhs of current CTC. For example, the organization is decided already, or the standard hike will be decided. It means 30%. How much they will be give 30% means 7 lakhs. Yes or no? 6.8 or 7 lakhs. So actually the package will be depends on your current CTC. We can't say that. Okay. Maybe if they do have the lot of requirements, they will be prefer that. I mean how much you want, or you can ask, or if they are ready to give, it's okay, no issue. It will be depends on the client also, and it will be depends on your current CTC also. Clear? I hope
Yeah, actually, one of my friend had been said that there is less opportunities on Power BI right now. Could you give some clarity
mhm.
on that?
See, less opportunities are, see, in IT sector, for every technology, for every role, there will be a lot of opportunity. Not only for Power BI, including Power BI, there is a lot of opportunity. If you search for Tableau, there is a lot of opportunity. If you search for data analyst, if you search for data science, there is a lot of opportunities. But the thing is, if you want to learn the Python, is it easy right now? The coding section
No.
within short time. Within short time. See, in this within short term 2 months, you can learn that a query language which is called a SQL, a data analytics tool, which is Power BI, which is data visualization tool, right? Is it possible to
Bro,
learn within 2 months to learn Python and R programming and everything? See, why? Because I'm saying that see, within short time you can learn the easy technology with easy things to get into easily IT sector. That is the thing. Apart from that, you can get a good opportunities also. See, in IT sector for any technology, we are having a lot of opportunities. But the thing is how we can give ourselves our efforts to the organization. That is our it will be depends on me only, right? It will be depends on you. If you learn the technology, any technology or any programming language, it will be you need to perform once you get into that organization. Okay, yes or no? It will be if you're good in Power BI, damn sure I will say that you can perform yourself easily and accurately. Why? Because it is a good tool, good opportunities tool to learn easily. There is no coding. There is no coding. Use this, and you can. You can give a good performance to in your organization. But is it possible if you went if you selected that any programming language or anything? And one more thing, see, you said that your friend is saying that. Am I audible?
yeah, yeah,
Am I
yes.
audible? Your friend was saying that
Yes.
there is a lot of opportunity with other technologies, right? Yes or no?
No, he had not
See,
said that, but I asked him, he is doing on Power BI developer only. So that's why I
okay,
had been asking. He said that
okay.
present right now the market is dull.
See, he said that market is dull, not Power BI is dull, right?
Regarding to
Yes
the
or
Power
no?
BI only, he said that. I asked
Okay,
him
okay.
too that
You,
I need to take the Power BI course. So he
okay,
suggested me to wait for some time because there is no opportunities for Power BI right now. I don't like that
okay,
he says.
okay. You don't worry, you don't worry. You will get a lot of opportunities. By end of this training, you will get a picture. Okay, you will get a picture about Power BI developer. Okay. See, for example, I would like to say that. See, for example, where did you completed your graduation?
In Satpalli, come on district.
Common district. Okay. How your college is there? Could you share your experience in your college? Is it good or bad
It's
or
not
average?
on that time it is not so good, but right now it has been developed.
That is the human being doing that. That is the humans are doing that. Wherever we are working, wherever we are living, we will not like that. Yes or no? If
Yeah.
anyone while you are studying in your college, if anyone asking you, hey, I'm trying to join your college, how is it? What is your answer?
Got it.
Definitely no, right? Definitely no. Why? Because that is humans. So no need to worry about that. Okay. Whatever work we are doing, okay, as a that's right. Now, for example, someone is there. Sita, why you are trying to
Yeah.
choose this Power BI? You're working on Oracle, right? Sita, can you hear me? Sita, can you hear me? Is that Sita? Oh, someone
She
left,
left,
right?
I
Okay,
guess.
fine. Yes, yes. Anyone working on any technology? Soumya, Shiva, Kamal, Dada Peer, Linita.
No, sir.
So I hope you guys are freshers, right? Yes, right?
I work on Java and El Fresco.
Okay. Why you preferring Power BI right now?
So last year I left my job due to some reason, and so I need to
Mhm.
start career. I mean again. but I'm looking
Okay.
for
You do
the
have some
data part.
experience in Java, right? Why you can't try with that only?
No, not with the Java, like fully Java, but I was in support, so that's the reason.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, okay, fine. Anything else, guys? So, actually, there is a lot of opportunities. You don't worry about this. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
fine,
guys.
fine. Thank you.
Yeah. You don't worry about the opportunities. Opportunities will come to us whenever the opportunity is there at us. Okay. We need to use that. And one more thing, don't consider anyone votes. I mean, if anyone saying that, see, Power BI is a less opportunities. Power BI there is no calls. Power BI there is no thing. Nothing. No need to consider that. Do whatever you want. Okay. Hardly ask yourself. Hardly ask yourself. Speak with your soul. Okay. Speak with your soul. Ask to yourself what I'm doing. Is it correct or not? See, you need to make a decision yourself in your career. Please don't go for others. Others means you need to go with your parents. That is not a matter. Yes, right? So think yourself. If this demo is good to you, please try to join in second demo also tomorrow at 8 to 9. Is clear?
Yeah,
Yeah.
So that's all about for today. Thanks for joining everyone. I hope I will see you guys in tomorrow demo also.